Hello everyone, my name is Arnav Suman. I am a student in class 12th and I live in Delhi, India. Climate change has emerged as one of the most devastating environmental issues ever to confront humanity. Global climate change impacts on human and natural systems are predicted to be severe. Climate change is the root cause of sudden wildfires in Turkey and across the world, floods in Europe and around the world, along with various other so-called natural disasters. Our planet's average surface temperature has risen about 1.18 degrees Celsius or 2.12 degrees Fahrenheit since the late 19th century. Global sea level has rose about 20 centimeters or 8 inches in the last century. The rate in the last 2 decades, however, is nearly double that of the last century and accelerating slightly every year. The sudden increase in the production of these greenhouse gases can be attributed to low awareness among citizens of the world and bad government policies. Most people are not aware of the consequences that they will have to face because of climate change. An increase in global temperature and rising water levels will harm our planet beyond our collective imagination. So, as to create awareness, along with trying to solve climate change crisis, I have created a two-step solution. First, a web app, climatechange-tracker.herokuapp.com, using which every household would get an idea of what will happen to climate change if everyone starts to live with the same factors as modified in the side panel of my web app. It will also give an idea of carbon emission increase by the year 2100 by changing these factors in the side panel. For example, you can change taxation on renewable resources from status quo to highly subsidized and taxation on natural gas resources to see the life change in the carbon emissions. As you can see, the new carbon emissions would be far less than the current carbon emissions. You can also see the rise in global temperature by changing the factors in the side panels and see the life change in the global temperature by 2100. Let's change, for example, the carbon price. The rise in global temperature by the year 2100 would be plus 2.9 degrees Celsius if the price of carbon is very high. You can also see the expected global water level rise along with the major cities that will likely be underwater. Next you can see is a 3D map of high CO2 activity near you. You can change this map by changing your country and your state. For example, you can see map of Australia along with these dots. Each dot you see here is a place where climate change was reported. The greater the height of the cylinders, greater the climate change. You can also see the climate change hotspots all over the world. I created this web app using Streamlit library in Python. In the second step, we will use drones to survey fields to monitor and find causes of climate change using artificial intelligence and machine learning. I made a desktop app that uses OpenCV along with TensorFlow. Using this web app, we can classify sources of climate change much before anyone else. This desktop app is very easy to use with only 3 steps. First, login, second, launch webcam, third, upload images. This is the login page of our desktop app. Click launch. Press space bar to capture image. Click upload. Upload successful. Let us see the images that were uploaded to Google Drive just now. Here are the 3 images along with the screen recording. Those images were also saved in the system. Click graph button to see the graph of compiled data. If you need any help or you have a query, you can go to the Python shell and start using our Sahayata chatbot. The place and time of the incident will be recorded in a CSV file that will be uploaded and used in our web app. Using both these steps, we aim to achieve United Nations Sustainability Development Goal 13 and reduce climate change for a better future. Thank you.